Welcome to our channel. Today, we have come up with an amazing video on how to make money online. This is a very simple and easy way to make money online, and we will be showing you how to make $390.44 for only a couple of minutes of work. If you want to make money, then follow along. Go to the website g2.com. On this website, we will find a host of software categories. You will find a bunch of ratings for each one. By simply giving the ratings for the software on this website, you can get paid again and again. It is a lot simpler than you might think. I want you to scroll then, and then look for Write a Review option. We have to write the review and get paid for it. Click on it. You will jump in another window, where you will find that there are different steps to follow. First, you have to select the software service. Then, leave a review. You also have to share it on LinkedIn. And then, finish. Find and choose the product on which you have given the review. For example, advertisement, sale, and so on. After selecting, you will be taken to another page where you will find different software to give a review on. Select the software and then click on the Continue button. Then you will be taken to the page where you will write the review. Now start writing the review and rate the product you chose. Pay attention to the questions. You only have to write 40 characters for each question. After writing a review and giving a rating, you have to scroll down and you have to agree to the statement. You can do this over and over again, so you get paid over and over again. Best part, you don't have to pay for the subscription on this website. Hope you enjoyed the video and found this exciting. Do like, comment, and share. Also, press that bell icon for future updates.